Welcome traders, Patrick from Trading123. In this video we're going to show you how we traded on Friday here, June 3rd, 2022. Trading the ES. The market has been moving just super nice, large trends up and down, all kinds of price action, a trader's dream. So if you're not making money or you're not having profitable trades, you're obviously doing something wrong. Put the power of automation to work with our AutoTrader, and you'll see the results like we're getting each day. It's just phenomenal with this price action in the market. So here, right at the open, we start the AutoTrader, let the market open a couple minutes, and it's unable to hold the highs, trend change, sell off, and we're starting with an $800 goal and on 3 contracts, and it hits it. We're using a larger profit goal instead of a 500 goal due to the range in the market, higher ranges and bigger trends. So that's how you have to adapt to the market when there's tighter ranges, like when the ES is only moving 8 to 10 points a day. You go for smaller profits, and here you can get a 10-point move on a reversal, if not more. So let's look at the strategy performance. So this trade, total net profit $750, commission $12, profit factor 99%, which is excellent. Sharp ratio, okay, nice numbers on that. Above 9 is great. 3 trades, 100% winners. Largest winning trade, $295. Potential profits on a 30-day basis that NinjaTrader calculates is $22,800. So let's look at our second trade. So here's our second trade on the ES. And basically, you're trying to pass a combine, 500 a day, 600 a day would be right there in your strategy of things to pass it. And here's our second trade, and we reset the strategy. Just takes less than 10 seconds. Unenable it, enable it. Chart starts up, ready to go. So here's where we started it. Trend change happens again. Market gets a sell-off. We hit our first 2 profit targets, and our trail stop takes us out. And then we get a reversal back up, and our goal is hit. Now let's look at the strategy performance. So what the difference is between automation and trying to manually trade is, manually you're there and you're looking at a bunch of indicators, got your finger on the trigger, you don't know you're going to be right, you hesitate, and then you miss, then you chase, or you miss the whole thing altogether. Here with the strategy, using the algorithm, it's not going to miss, it gets in, the trade is profitable, the stops are managing it, and it works. It's way easier than manual trading. So nice sell-off and another profitable trade. Let's look at the strategy performance. The strategy performance, I must have forgot to take a screenshot, but here it shows when we started it, when the trade ended. So let's move on to the next trade. Market's moving nicely here, so here's our third trade in the ES. Here's where we started it. Market was uptrending going into 10 o'clock, and we get a trend reversal and a quick sell-off, and on 3 contracts, didn't take much time to hit our goal, 100% winner, and we get 787.76 out of the trade. And since we went 3 for 3, we take a break and we come back and we trade the market after 11. Here we start the AutoTrader here. Well, I was in a downtrend, and we upped our goal going for our final trade of the day to $1,000 instead of the 800. range was up, so basically it's doable. So the market got a reversal here and still trading 3 contracts, hits our first 2 profit targets. And then the market was stalling out here, so I just hit the close button, running out of patience. Have an afternoon appointment got to get to. And on a trend reversal, and as you see, I got out pretty much right at the top. And then we get a trend reversal, which, you know, is going to happen. And a couple bars down, we hit our max gain. Week's over, our trading's over for the week, and a 1K gain to follow out the day in a nice market moving up and down with plenty of price action and plenty of opportunity to run the auto trader and make trades with it. Now the market is in these bigger ranges, so in your trading you will learn to take advantage of them. So instead of going for a say $500 profit target, you up it to what you're comfortable with, and that's when you become a professional trader, when you learn how to do that. As most rookie traders will just be happy making their regular gain, but when you see an opportunity in the market, you got to take advantage of it. So here's our strategy performance for the trade. Total net profit 1025, commission 24 bucks, sharp ratio over 9, 6 trades, 3 longs, 3 shorts, largest winning trade 320, potential gain on a 30-day basis 31,000. So that's our trades of the day with the ES, with the Trading123 AutoTrader. Now with our AutoTrader, there's no restrictions on the software. You can trade 1 contract, 3 contracts, 10 contracts, or more. But when you get into trading 10 contracts, you can lose $2,000 to $3,000 in minutes. So you need a big bankroll, and it just seems foolish to trade that amount unless you've been trading for over 3 to 5 years and know what the hell you're doing. Even with an automated system, you'd have to use wider stops, wider losses. So here I'm risking 600 to make 1,000, and I did not, all trades were winners, so I basically risked nothing there. Whereas you go with higher contracts and you don't know what you're doing, just because you got an auto trader, yeah, you'll get lucky a couple times, but the market could whipsaw you, and then you got to play catch up. So it's like in baseball, a player has a batting average of 325. That's considered very good. So he's going to hit doubles and triples and a couple singles here and get on base with high percentages, and this would be considered a home run trade, a 1K gain, and you may have 1 or 2 of those a week, but you're not going to hit them every day. So it's better to be consistent and disciplined in trading a couple contracts and let the auto trader do the work for you, and then after a couple years you can know the system, know the market, and then you can do practically anything you want. You can make 1 trade a day and be done on 10 contracts if you wish. But that's how you grow up as a trader, being from a rookie to a professional, knowing when to take advantage of market situations, when to put on extra gains, extra contracts. You just don't trade 10 contracts all day long. Or sometimes I'll trade 5 contracts, but it has to be a certain setup, certain situation, and I'm not going to just run 5 all day. I could, but 3 works for me, so whatever works, repeat it and come back and repeat it the next day, the next week, the next month, and the next year, and on and on and on. That's why I've been doing this for 24 years. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more trading tips, and follow us on Twitter and Facebook, and go to our website, sign up for our newsletter. Till next time, hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next one.